Werewolves of London by Warren Zevon, how I play it. I start by detuning string 6 down. So to do this, I play the open fourth, the D, play the E string at the same time and detune it, listening to both strings. Let them ring on. There we are. If you're worried about it, use a tuner app. No shame in that. Next, Warren's left hand plays mostly octaves and it's pretty punchy. Here's how I represent it on the guitar. String 6, short, just the open fourth string. Then string 4, D, back to the other D, string 6. And that's the first 3 notes done. 6, 4, 6. 6, 4, 6. Then string 5 fret 3, again played short. Easiest way is to release. That's up to you. Play twice, open 5th. So those 3 notes together, 3, 3 open. Next, string 6 fret 5, short. Swap fingers. You'll see why later, because you need the hand, you need the fingers in the right place because there's a position shift. String 6 fret 5, string 3 open, and back to string 6 fret 5. Werewolves of London by Warren Zevon, how I play it. It's a fun piece to play. Tuning this 6th string E down to a D. To do this, I play the open 4th string, the D, play the open 6th string, the E, and start detuning it. Playing both strings so I can hear them. Play again, detune, play again. If you can hear that, great. If you can't, use a tuner app, no harm. Left hand of Warren Zevon is the driving force behind the piece. The bass and the drums and Warren's left hand all knit together. 6, open. String 4, open. String 6 again. I'll play it again. The first note is short. I drop my wrist down. 6, 4, 6. Next 3 notes, string 5 fret 3, string 5 fret 3 again, and string 5 open. So it's 3, 3 open. And again, the first note is shortened if you can. To begin with, don't bother. Unless you're an advanced player and you want to do everything all at once. Then again, if you are an advanced player, you probably want to do all the elements one at a time. What would I know? String 6 fret 5 is the next note. I do a finger swap. There's a reason for that, which will become obvious later. String 6 fret 5 again, string 3 open, and string 6 fret 5 again. From the beginning, 6, short, 6, 4, 6. String 5 fret 3, short. Again, 3, open. String 6 fret 5, short. Finally, finger shift. String 6 fret 5, string 3 open, string 6 fret 5. So that's the first idea done. Second idea, the tune that we all know. This is how I play it. It's a 2-part piece. String 1 fret 7, string 3 fret 7, and on the right hand I usually play those 2 notes, string 3 with my index finger and string 1 with my ring finger. And the right hand plays strings 3 and 1. The left hand string 1 fret 7, string 3 fret 7, and string 1 fret 5 prepared behind it because we're going to lift off the little finger. The finger pattern is repeated, this time 2 frets further down. Again, strings 3 and 1, and again, as in the first place, the first position there, finger 1 is prepared, it's at fret 3, so I'm playing 5, 3, but also adding in string 3 fret 5. I can't remember if Warren plays loud soft. I feel like he does. I don't think he plays. Sounds a bit square, doesn't it? Again, short, long seems to feel good. But it is up to you. Finally, string 1 fret 3, string 2 fret 3 in a little barre. And the right hand plays strings 2 and 1 3 times, just like that. String 1 and string 2 barred at fret 3, so just using the first finger, and then you're going to use another finger. I'll need my little finger because I'm going to need that third finger in a moment. So I use my first finger and fourth, or first and little finger, and I play 3, 3, 5, 3. But playing both strings 1 and 2. So hold the barre down. All of that again. Again. Because the last time was not very good. And then, when you've done that, you tend to put both of them together. Putting the two parts together can take a long time. It could take weeks or months. But whatever you do while you're practicing, go slowly, slowly, slowly. Think about what's coming up. Is your right hand the same every time? Are you still using the same fingering? If it felt right to you and you figured it out, your own fingering, and you're not ignoring mine, that's fine. Just do the same thing every time. Talk about things, say it out loud, drop the wrist. Index finger moves across. I have to say all these things to myself because when I was working out my fingering, I was still unsure. Wasn't sure about which was the perfect one, and I was rocking my thumb, string 4, largely because I'm so used to doing pieces that use that movement of 6 to 4. But it was just one thing too many to concentrate on. The whole little dropping of the wrist, index and middle. That in itself is one great practice session, and it was perfect. If I can play it perfectly over and over, then that means I'm ready to move on. Next time you see me, I may well be singing it and playing it. I did have a go on Sunday, and it was a decent 6 out of 10, but it wasn't satisfactory really, so I'm going to work hard on synchronising each syllable. A whole new subject really. So thank you for that, and don't forget to subscribe, press a link, do a like, message me, email me, give me suggestions for songs you'd like me to have a go at.